Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create a post on Instagram stories, on Instagram in general. Posting on Instagram is one of the platform's primary features, allowing you to share photos, videos, or carousel posts with your followers. And here's how to do it step by step. Let's follow these steps together. The first step is to open the Instagram app on your phone. And to do so, just go to your apps right here and choose Instagram and click on this. You might be required to enter your account credentials if you haven't already logged in, and after entering your account credentials, and you can log in. It's very simple. After logging in, you'll be directed to your home screen. From here, tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen right here. The second step is to choose the type of post you want: a single photo, video, or multiple images, videos for a carousel post. Now I'm gonna select this picture right here, for example. After that, tap next to access Instagram's editing tool, where you can apply filters, adjust brightness, and contrast, and many more. Like here, you can add text, you can add music, add songs right here. You can change the filters by clicking on this icon right here, on the circles icon. I'm gonna do this again. This one right here. After that, after finishing modifying your picture and adjusting it, tap next again to write a caption. Click on OK, and you can add a caption right here. You can tag people, you can add locations, and you can add the music again here. After that, click on OK and click on share right here. You can also add the audience if you want everyone to be able to see your post, or specific people. And that's it. That's how you create a post on Instagram. You can also use relevant hashtags in your caption to increase visibility, and experiment with Instagram's filters and tools to make your content more engaging. Now, creating posts on Instagram is quick and easy, and with the right edits and captions, you can share content that resonates with your audience. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.